What is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download Dragon Ball Z for free. Not download it, but watch it for free. So you come to the App Store and you download this app. And when it's downloaded, you come to the app. You come to web. Then go to this button right here and see library and download Anime Kisser. And when it's added, then you can search up Dragon Ball Z. And it will pop up the sub version and the dub version. And if you search up Dragon Ball Super, it will pop up also. All the movies. There it is. Alright, thanks for watching.